Push me up so I can stand on this.
Mom's feet and tail are the favorite ones. No, we'll find it out.
Whoa. Mom, I didn't even get to see what I was eating. You know what it was me.
Oops, sorry.
I did.
He's eating some sort of fish, I think.
I don't know.
Or, it looked like a leaf, but when he chews on it, it looks like it might have some sort of meat to it.
It does. A leg or something.
He ate one of the
No,
frogs.
it is a leaf.
Silly old kitty.
Get it.
What are you not?
There's an old one here.
What are you talking about? There's nothing over here that you can't see over there. Well, you can
There's
see
him.
him same as I can.
Yeah, but you're taller. He's eating a leaf.
Same. You're seeing the
No,
same
he's
thing.
eating a cricket.
He's licking himself.
He can eat all the crickets he wants.